by the station early in the morning. See the puffing little engines all in a row. You can see the engineer